We are going to be discussing about redeploying your Azure virtual machines. So let's say you are having difficulties troubleshooting remote desktop connection on your virtual machine, or you are having some specific issue, like for example the connection problem, instability on your virtual machine. You can actually redeploy that virtual machine from Azure. So here I have a Windows 11 operating system. You can see the location is actually, this virtual machine is deployed to West Europe Zone 3. So if I'm having an issue with this virtual machine, what I can do is I can just scroll down, and if you scroll down under help, you can see we have the option called redeploy plus reapply. So if I click redeploy plus reapply, you can see we have two options here. The first one says redeploy. So we can try to redeploy your virtual machine, which will migrate it to a new Azure host. So it's going to take it to a different Azure host than where it is right now. Then it says if you continue, the virtual machine will be restarted and you will lose any data that is stored on your temporary drive. Well, what that means is this: when you create a virtual machine, sometimes you create a D drive or an E drive. All these drives are actually temporary because Azure does not save, Azure will not save the information to the disk when it's trying to redeploy the drive, but everything you save on your C drive will be intact. And here we have the reapply. So reapply your virtual machine state. This operation will rerun the VM provisioning and help solve the VM failed state. So in case, for example, you're having issues, the device is failing, so we can actually click reapply. But when I click redeploy, you can see it says redeploying virtual machine. It's going to redeploy this virtual machine, and after some time you can see it's going to redeploy it to a different zone entirely. You can see it says successful redeploy the virtual machine. Then what you can also do is that you can actually try to restart your virtual machine to make sure that everything keeps running without any issue. So that is how you actually redeploy your virtual machine if you are having issues, for example, remote desktop connection issues, or your virtual machine is not starting up, or you're having issues trying to access your virtual machine.